Hey Boy, welcome to Food Around the World, a series where I'll be making food from every place I've visited. And this series is going to be quite long since I visited a lot of countries. And today I'll be making the Pannukakku from Finland, or the Finnish oven pancake. Let's get right into the recipe. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and crinkle some parchment paper so that it gets into the Place the parchment paper on the tray. Now, I'll cut up 4 tablespoons of butter and put them on the tray. While you're making the rest of your recipe, the butter should be bubbling in your oven, so put it in there. Now I'll add 1 cup of flour and 2.5 cups of warm milk. So you've probably heard that Finland is the happiest country. Well, honestly, I didn't really get that vibe from the people. Also, the Finns, they love their saunas. There was even a sauna across from the main presidential palace. By the way, I'll add half a teaspoon of salt into this to balance the sweetness. Now, I'll whisk it using Jeremy. Once your butter is bubbling, take the tray out of the oven. A really cool thing I saw in Helsinki was a casually parked into the port, nuclear-powered icebreaker ship. It was really big and quite impressive. I'll pour my batter into my baking tray with the butter. Looks interesting. As you all saw coming, while the pancake is baking, you can practice cello. Our pancake's in the oven, so right now I'll make a really simple cream for it with about a 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and about a cup of plain yogurt, and mix it. I'll also sprinkle some berries on top of the pancake after it's done, because there are lots of forests in Finland and therefore lots of berries. Oh, I almost forgot. Add a dash of vanilla. It's beautiful. Look at these bubbles. It's nice and brown. Wow. I'll add my cream on. Now, once I've evenly spread my cream on, I will sprinkle some berries on it. Yep, that looks good. Now I'll attempt to roll this thing up. Here's my beautiful rolled up Pannukakku. I'll cut a piece on. If you want to make the Pannukakku extra bougie, dust it with some powdered sugar. Let's give this a taste. That is so good. It's so cakey, it's so sweet. The blueberries complement everything. Oh wow, it's so good. Bye. Put my 4th cup of sugar. There's a sauna on the main plaza. Wait, is it called the plaza? By the way, I'll add 2.5 tablespoons of salt.
Half a teaspoon.
That?
Half a teaspoon.
No. Wait, let's redo that. Let's redo. I saw a casually parked nuclear-powered icebreaker ship. Pretty cool. Babushka!